Catherine said I can strip the bonnet.
This car, Simon, has a name.
It's called Lady Penelope. The wool's like thousands of little razor blades.
It's amazing.
60-year-old car, it's allowed to have a few wrinkles. Cooper's, the stripper that gets it off every time. This is Cooper's stripper. It's a very thin stripper we make, and we make it thin so that it absorbs. Afterwards we don't have to put any plastic over it to keep vapors in, it just absorbs in. It's a very, very low odour. This plastic I've got masked around, it's all stripper proof.
And what colour is she going to paint it afterwards?
Well, pink of course. Probably not even going to go right to the middle first time round, but we'll find out. But it definitely gets there, that's for sure. 20 odd minutes has gone. Put another couple of coats of stripper onto what was there. But at some point you've got to take off what it's stripped, and in some cases it's straight to the metal, and in other cases there'll be more paint there that we've got to put more stripper onto. It just depends on how much there is. So there's heaps there. We're not pushing hard, we're just going through what it's wanting to go through.
What about on chrome?
Doesn't affect the chrome at all. That's a metal. Had about another 20 minutes. I think there's about 500,000 of these made from 63 through to 65. And I'm going to give this a scrub up with some steel wool.
So the surface is wet?
Yep, absolutely. Wet with stripper. The more paint we've got off of the blade, the less choking up of the wool at this point. The wool's like thousands of little razor blades. Grunge like this, you can quickly get it off because that'll save some of our flusher that comes next. Flusher. This is our blue rinse. It's a slow drying solvent blend. This is part that's all about getting rid of the residues. Residues of stripper, residues of old paint.
Is there any water in Cooper's?
There's no water at all in Cooper's, unfortunately. There's good margin in water. Unfortunately, our products are all made from the good stuff. So spray scrub, spray, wipe.
For those of you who call the bonnet a hood is a bonnet.
Oh yeah. Yes, thank you to our American audience who told us that a bonnet is for babies.
But I like the word hood. Hood sounds good. It's under the hood.
So let's give it a final wipe down. And this is done. This is ready for whatever needs next. A car like this is generally in the realms of about 10 litres to do the whole car. There's actually a lot of car, and even more, there's 60 years of paint. No one's taken the paint off this car, it's only had more paint added on. We'll see you next time for some other project somewhere.
That's Cooper's, guys. See you later.
Bye.